Money, 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 money. Monday. Money, 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 money. Hello, world, and welcome to Money Mondays. I'm Timolin Langin, coming to you from Los Angeles, and with good news in the Money Nugget segment today. Did you hear that working families in the United States have just received a raise? The minimum wage has gone up from $7.25 an hour to $15 an hour. Yay! Yippee! Woohoo! USnews.com says, thanks to legislative efforts, ballot measures, and adjustments for inflation, workers in 20 states will see an increase in their minimum wage in 2019. Some states like California, Delaware, Massachusetts, Michigan, New York, and Florida have already received this increase. Woohoo! It is expected that a handful of other states like Nevada, Oregon, etc. will follow suit and raise minimum wage to $15 an hour by July 2019. Remaining states are expected to do so in the next few years. That's great news for working people. Yippee! Hearts, balloons, yay! Now, guys, here's the question. What are you planning to do with that extra money? What are you planning to do with that windfall? Go on a spending spree? Treat yourself to something nice? Maybe a little something. But remember, to live like a millionaire does not mean going on a spending spree. There are many things that you can do for fun and for free without spending a lot of money. So, want to keep that in mind. Moments like these is where we need to relax, breathe, and be financially savvy and strategic. I would see this as more than just a salary increase, but an opportunity to grow and increase your wealth, to increase your financial success. On a previous show, a caller called and said, hey, I've just come into this windfall. I've got some extra money. What should I do with it? My answer may shock you as it did her. The answer is nothing, guys. Nothing. Nada. I want you to, yes, you heard me. Do nothing. Pretend like you do not have the money. Continue to live on what you have been getting, that same $7.25 an hour. Give yourself some time to think and assess the situation. You need time to think, evaluate, and process your current financial situation, your needs, your priorities, and your next money-making steps. You need time to create a strategic plan, a financial plan to grow your money. So here are some questions to answer. What are your most pressing financial needs at this moment? What are the top 2 or 3? Write them down, or your financial goals. Number 1, is it to pay down debt or to get out of debt? Is it to pay a certain bill? Is it to take that dream vacation? Live Like a Millionaire now is about making wise money decisions so that you can enjoy your life. Number 2, what is your financial roadmap? What is your financial plan to get there? Write down the various steps that you need to take as a plan of action. And number 3, I'm going to repeat it. Continue to live on the $7.25 an hour. And I offer 40 plus ways in my book of how you can actually stretch that money to make it feel like more. That $3 or $4 extra to add to your $7.25 per hour or your $15 an hour salary. We've been talking about saving coins, and I hope you're continuing to do that. But this time, let's take it to another level and start thinking about how many dollars can we save now? How many dollars can we save? Maybe it's $1. Maybe it's $1.50. That's fine. Save $1 a week, $1.50 a week, whatever it is. Remember, we do not despise small beginnings. And determine the proper percentage for you to save consistently and still achieve your financial goal. But definitely increase your savings, even if it's by 1 or 2%. And notice I didn't use the word just 1 or 2%, because I do not believe in, I believe strongly in the power of small beginnings and planting a seed. And from tiny little seeds, you can grow a money tree. And you don't, and secondly, you never have to be in a hurry to spend money, guys. There's no shortage of spending opportunities. So my motto is be slow to spend, quick to save. Slow to spend, quick to save. And this is just literally just taking contrary action. I talk a lot about these in my workshop. Take contrary action. What you have been doing, what you're accustomed to doing, do something different this time. And now let's get in the new paradigm. Slow to spend, quick to save. Slow to spend, quick to save. For some states, the minimum wage will not increase until July. So it is not too soon for you all to start thinking about your strategic plan now. Oh yes, you don't have to have the money in your hand to start planning. The plan to invest in real estate happened 10 years before I actually bought the property. And I talk a lot about that in my workshops, about how you start preparing early for the next step. But I digress. Even though some of you want to receive you won't receive the raise in July, it is never too soon or too late to contemplate your next strategic money move. Before closing, guys, hit the like button, leave comments in the section below, share the videos, and tell me what you think I should discuss next week. I would love to hear from you and what you're planning to do with those extra dollars. I have received an invite to speak in some of your cities and country. Someone from the Bahamas reached out. Yay! So I'm contemplating a tour and look forward to meeting you in person in your city or mine. Stay tuned for more information. For updates and more information about the speaking engagements, etc., go to newfitworldtv.com or livelikeamillionairenow.com. Newfit, N-E-W-F-I-T, worldtv.com or livelikeamillionairenow.com. Well, guys, thank you so much for letting me come into your homes today. I look forward to seeing you again next Monday. Until then, remember, financial success is not a gift. It's a habit. See you next week, guys.